Hi friends, this is video number 3 of your Java course. Today we will learn about the data type in Java. Let's start. First I will explain what is data type. If we give some information to internet, let's assume a condition. If we are searching on the net, let's we have to see the picture of apple, then we will search on the Google platform apple. If we search apples on the search bar, then the Google websites gets the this value and appears the apple pictures. It means Google platforms takes data from me and then show the similar pictures according to your data. It means Java also has data types. In the Java there are two types of data type. First is your primitive data types. Second is your non-primitive data types. Let's Let me explain primitive data types. Which data types already installed in Java? It means Java has already those type of data types is called primitive data types, like byte, byte, char, boolean, integer, float, long, and your double. These are the type of primitive data types which is already installed in Java. And non-primitive data types, which data type is not installed in Java. It is pre-installed and it is not installed in Java. So this is called non-primitive types, and it is customizable. We can customize we know we as we want. If we want to customize the data types, let's take an example. We create a data types, and data types name is your info. So for creating a data type, we have to declare class and class name info. In this class we will define lots of data types, lots of different type of data types, like integer a is equal to 10, boolean is equal to true, and so many more. It is customizable and it is not customizable, and these are the basically divide on the basis of its size. In the Java, byte has one bits, and character has 2 bytes, and boolean 1 bytes, 1 byte, and integer your takes 4 byte, and also take float 4 byte, and long takes 8 bytes of size, and double also takes 8 bytes. So thank you.